Yes, let's get active.
Did you take your dog for a walk today? And are you staying fit and giving 100% every day?
We'll put a long rope on him so he can travel. Stay here, Obi. And what I want you to do is get your dog or your friend or your brother, your sister, your mom, your dad, and take them for a walk. Take your mom and dad for a walk. It's called Take Your Family Member for a Walk. It's probably one of the best things you can do to enjoy the weather and to do some physical exercise. Yeah. Time to take your dog for a walk. Here we go.
Yeah. You're looking for those guys, huh? Come here. Yeah. Where are those guys going? Yeah, right there. Yeah. Where they at? You getting them? Okay. Hey, Ob. How you doing? Let's go. Up the hill. Go. Yeah, how you doing? Yeah, what's going on out there?
All right. Take your dog for a walk. Yeah, Obiwan.
So, let's do the Botanic Gardens Nature Search. Let's do the fitness challenge, 21-day fitness challenge, and let's give 100% every day. Take your dog, Obi, for a walk. Have a good day. Let's have some fun out there.